Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you wanna know how I install this beautiful 20 inches wig, very cutesy, keep on watching. Hello guys, my name is Lydia. So today my video is about me installing my wig as a beginner. I promise you guys, I never do this on camera. Like, I always try to install, but not on the camera like this. So I'll just try to show you my secret to lay that lace down. So what you need is just you need your nail spray. I don't use glue because I don't like glue. I'm a type of person, when I install my wig, I have to take it out at night. I can't sleep with my wig, so I don't use glue to protect my edges. So guys, what you need is just, you can do your way, but this is the best way. I prepare my wig before I install it. It's so easy, and after that I will install it so easily. So guys, if you want to see the result, keep on watching. Is your first time to be here, welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and give me a thumbs up. So drop your comment down below, and then I will respond to your comment. Trust me, I will. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.